Hello students, you are welcome back once again. So it's another time with Teach Me Sir Gideon. Now on this channel, I provide you with step-by-step solutions to past SSSCE and then WASSCE questions to senior high school students and then NOVDEC students. It is my goal to help you become a straight A1 student without sweating from the comfort of your home. So today we are still under SURDS and we are looking at a past question which came in the year 2003. So we are still under SURDS. Now the question we have over here says that simplify 2 root 3 in bracket 2 minus root 3 bracket close plus 3 root 2 bracket open root 2 minus 1 bracket close. Now that's the first one. I part says that hence evaluate your answer in I correct to 2 decimal places, given that root 2 is equal to 1.414 and then root 3 is equal to 1.732. So how do we go about this kind of question? Now let's take a look at the first part. The first part we have is 2 root 3 in brackets 2 minus root 3 plus 3 root 2 in bracket root 2 minus 1. Now, so what we do is that we have to expand the set. We have to expand, all right? So this 2 root 3 is going to multiply everything in this bracket. So 2 root 3 times 2, this 2 over here is going to multiply the 2 over here. All right, now because we don't have any number under the square root over here, we ignore that one. So this 2 is going to multiply this 2 over here. So 2 times 2 gives us 4 root 3. We'll bring our operation, which is minus. Now, 2 root 3 times root 3. Now, there's a coefficient of 1 in front of this root 3, all right? So that 1 times 2 gives us 2. Now, root 3 times root 3 gives us root 3 all square. So the square cancels the square root, so we are left with only 3. Now 3 times 2 gives us what? We get 6. So we get 2 into bracket 3. Alright, so these two multiply the coefficient of 1 over here, and then we get 2. Root 3 times root 3 gives us 3. Then we have plus. Now 3 root 2 times root 2 gives us 3. Root 2 times root 2 gives us 2. Alright, now 3 root 2 times 1, let's bring our operation. 3 root 2 times 1 gives us 3 root 2. Now, so let's multiply this one. So we have 4 root 3 minus 2 times 3 gives us 6 plus 3 times 2 gives us 6 minus 3 root 2. Now, so negative 6 and then positive 6, they can cancel out. So we can have 0. So we are now left with 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2. So this will be our answer for the first part. So that is 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2. Now we cannot go any further, so we leave our answer in this form. Now the I part says that hence evaluate your answer in I correct to 2 decimal places, given that root 2 is equal to 1.414 and then root 3 is equal to 1.732. Now, what does this mean? What this means is that wherever we see root 2 in this particular expression, we should put 1.414 there. And wherever we see root 3 in this expression, we should put 1.732 there. And so let's rewrite our expression, which is our final answer, which is 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2. So if that is the case, wherever we see root 3, we're going to put this over there, 1.732. So we have 4 multiplying 1.732 minus 3 multiplying 1.414. So 4 times this gives us a value of 6.928 minus 3 times 1.414 gives us a value of 4.242. Alright, so we have 6.928 minus 4.242. If we subtract this from that, we get a value of 2.686. So that will be our answer for this particular question. Thank you for joining. If you've not subscribed, if this is your first time, please like, share, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. So make sure you also hit on the notification bell. Whenever I release a video, you are going to be notified. Thank you for joining. See you in the next video.